This is so relaxing.
Yes, the shade is perfect. I could stay here all day.
Ready to pick some berries? Yes, I'll get the high ones. Great teamwork.
These berries are so juicy.
I know. Let's share.
This is the best.
Keep going! Shelter's just ahead!
My feet are soaked.
We're almost there!
I see it. Look, that tree is glowing. Wow, let's go see.
It's hollow inside.
It's so beautiful. Wow, it's so cozy in here.
It is a perfect place to rest.
Look at the lights.
Magical.
I had the most amazing dream last night. Oh, tell me, was it magical? It was. We were flying in the clouds. Wow, look at the shining leaves.
Yes, the rain has made everything sparkle.
So magical. Yay, we're so happy. This is fun.
Wow, this path is amazing.
Yeah, I smell adventure.
Let's go a little faster.
Let's fix it.
Let's gather these branches.
I'm on it. This one's for the pile.
Great work, team!
Yay! Let's build this nest together. Great idea. This moss will make it cozy. Perfect. Teamwork wins.
We can't give up.
Right. One more push. Together there.
Finally, it was done.
We did it.
Look at our beautiful nest.
It's perfect.
Wow, the sunset is beautiful.
It really is. I'm glad we're watching it together.
Me too.
Adventure isn't just fun. It's a calm moment that lets us reflect.
And grow.
I brought more twigs.
Thank you. You're a great help.
Of course, it's about helping others.
Ready to lists?
We did it. Teamwork wins.
And their adventure had just begun.